Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm gonna be doing a gifting back and forth with Jammer Blue, forgot the number, 08716 on Animal Jam. Go subscribe to her. Hold on. Don't worry, you'll get more. And I'm also video chatting her, but yeah. Oops, what did I do? There we go. Keith, you first. Oh, right. So. Oh, hi. mm. Hmm? Okay. I know, right? I know, right? It's okay. Ooh, thank you. Gotta find something. Here. You're welcome. Huh? Oh, I think I gave you both. Oh. I just forgot about that. Oh. Oh, here it is, mealtime number 5. Animal Jam. And I spammed you on there. Oh. Thank you. Icicle horn. I love those. I'm a Christmassy unicorn. A Christmassy unicorn. um, because it doesn't work on my computer anymore and I don't really get the hang of it. You're welcome. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Natalie. Thank you. Yeah, Laura. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. If you want, you could give it to me. I guess just give me one. Well, whenever I go on Google Plus, I lag a lot. Thank you. But I'm not really lagging today. I was earlier. Hi. And this is Laura's face right there. And I'm right here. Yeah. Really? Oh, thank you. It's not out, I think. Oh, I see it now. Shoutouts to my friends. Thank you. Icky. Oh, thank you, Phantom Snowman. I call all snowmans Olaf now. Really? And check out Laura's channel. I know, right? Nobody can find my channel, not even me. So, if you guys are wondering, this is what you have to do. You have to search up my channel, like this, and go to the first video, which is this one. This is for you beautiful, well, not really my sisters, well, my Animal Jam sisters. And, yeah, so, and then you go down here to comments, and just go on my channel, and, yeah. So, you're here. I know it's a lot of steps. And sometimes people can be lazy. Oh yeah, it's StockX. I sent you something. And yes, I know. By the way, thanks so much for 365 subscribers. And yeah, I've been getting a lot of subscribers over the past week. And thanks for my views on this video. I got this much. Thanks so much. So yeah. Jamal Bells, thank you. I'm saving all these gifts for mail time, by the way, because I always do that. What? I don't have any siblings. Whoa. How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? What? Oh, is it a cookie? Oh, whoa. Sent you something. A potato? A potato flew around. Before you came. Okay, sent you something. You should save up for the owl maybe, because it might be diamonds and stuff. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Where? Oh yeah, I just put you right now. And then he put you. You're welcome. Why am I sending you so much epic wonder? You're welcome. Huh? Thank you. Here, this is Beta. No, I have no siblings. Oh. I sent you a beta. That's why I don't get back and forth with Dolphin. You're welcome so much. Huh? Sure. It's okay. Thank you. I accidentally... Really? I have like around 300. And I'm not kidding. Yeah, 365. Sent you. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of time. So, last gift. Thank you. I'm gonna send you a gift really quick. If this is up. Okay. So, check out Laura's channel. And she just started like a day ago. So, yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and be a part of the blueberry pie today. And yeah, so bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.